John, we really need to get to the port soon.
I know. I'm driving as fast as I safely can.
Are we late for the cruise? I hope we don't miss the ship.
We're a little late, but we should still make it.
All right, we've arrived at the port.
Oh no! People are already boarding the cruise.
Quick, let's grab the bags and hurry to the cruise terminal.
Keep going! We need to reach the terminal soon.
The cruise ship is so big! I can see the ship from here!
Yes, but we need to check in before they close boarding.
Don't worry. I think we still have a few minutes.
I'm getting tired, but I don't want to miss the cruise!
You're doing great. We're almost there. Just a little farther.
We made it! That was a long run. I'm glad we got here in time.
Wow, the cruise ship is so big! I've never seen a ship this large before.
It's even bigger when you stand this close to it.
This ship is like a floating city on the ocean.
All right, let's go to the boarding gate. We should board the ship now.
Welcome aboard! May I see your boarding passes, please? That's strange. I can't find the boarding passes in my pocket.
Did you leave them at home?
Oh no! I remember now, I left them in the car!
What? The cruise will leave soon. You need to get them quickly.
Don't worry. I'll run back to the car and get them. I must hurry. The ship will leave soon. I don't have much time. I can't believe I left them here. I should have checked my pockets. I need to hurry back to Emma and Sophia before the cruise leaves. Is everything all right?
Yes, my husband ran back to the car. He forgot our boarding passes there.
Don't worry. The cruise will wait until he arrives with the boarding passes.
That's good to hear. He should be back very soon.
I was worried we might miss the cruise.
No need to worry. Just wait here, and we'll board once he returns.
Thank you very much for understanding.
You're welcome. It happens sometimes. Emma! Sophia! I'm almost there! Tell the crew member I have the boarding passes!
Look! There he is! My husband is coming with the boarding passes.
Here they are. The boarding passes. I had to run back to the car to get them. Everything looks good. Welcome aboard. Please proceed up the ramp.
Wow, this ship is so big! I've never seen a ship like this before.
Yes, cruise ships are like small cities on the ocean.
Look at all the different areas. There are restaurants, pools, and places to relax.
People stay on cruise ships for many days, so they have many activities.
Wow, look at the swimming pool. It looks so big.
Yes, and there are so many people enjoying the water.
This is one of the most popular places on the ship.
I didn't know a cruise ship could have a swimming pool like this.
Cruise ships have many fun activities for everyone.
Can we go swimming later?
Of course. We can come back after we rest for a while.
The ocean looks beautiful from up here. It looks so calm and peaceful.
Yes, the view from the deck is amazing. It's one of the best places on the ship.
Soon the ship will leave the port and start the journey.
Now we can finally relax and enjoy the cruise. Everyone, come closer. Let's take a nice photo together. That was a great photo. We all look happy.
Yes, we will remember this trip for a long time. Shall we go to our room now and see what it looks like?
Yes, I want to see what our room looks like. I hope it looks nice.
Our cabin should be on one of the lower decks. Let's go and find it.
This place is so big inside. There are so many rooms here.
Yes, many people stay on this ship, so there are many cabins.
I wonder what our room will look like. I hope it is nice and comfortable.
I think it will be comfortable and nice. It will feel like a small home on the ship.
We're getting close. The room numbers are almost the same as ours.
I can't wait to see our room. Wow, this is our room? It looks so nice.
Yes, this is our cabin. This will be our room during the trip.
It looks very nice and comfortable. It feels very cozy.
Look at the bed. It looks so soft. It looks very comfortable.
Yes, we can rest here after a long day.
Wow, I can see the ocean from here.
That's a beautiful view. The ocean looks amazing from here.
This is going to be a wonderful stay. I'm really happy we came on this trip.
Let's relax for a while. After that, we can go and have lunch. All right, shall we go and have lunch now?
Yes, I'm starting to feel hungry. I haven't eaten anything for a while.
Me too. I wonder what kind of food they have on the ship.
Let's go to the dining area and find out what kind of food they have. It says the restaurant is on deck 5. We need to go this way.
I can already smell the food from here. I'm getting more hungry now.
That means we are getting close. The restaurant should be just ahead.
Wow, this place is so big. There is so much food here.
Yes, this is a buffet restaurant. You can choose what you like.
Let's go toward the buffet area and see what they have.
There are so many choices. I don't know where to start.
You can take a small amount first and try different dishes.
That's a good idea. I'll try this rice and some vegetables.
That looks good. I'm going to try some grilled chicken.
I'll take some salad and pasta. I think it will be a light and healthy meal.
Look at these desserts. They look so delicious.
You can take dessert after your main meal.
Yes, finish your food first, then we can come back for dessert.
Everything looks so delicious. I'm really excited to try all this food.
Yes, the food looks really good. I think it will taste great too.
Wait a moment. Let's take a selfie before we start eating.
That's a great idea. I want to remember this moment.
All right, everyone come closer. Smile.
This will be a lovely memory from our cruise trip.
All right, now let's enjoy our food. Everything looks really delicious.
That was really delicious. I enjoyed the food a lot.
Yes, the meal was very good. I feel full now.
I'm glad we tried different dishes. Everything tasted nice.
What should we do next? I want to explore more of the ship.
How about we go to the swimming pool?
That's a great idea. It will be nice to relax there.
All right, let's go and check it out. We can spend some time there.
Let's follow the signs to the pool area.
I can feel the breeze. We must be getting close.
Wow! I really want to go swimming now.
We can swim, but we need to change into our swimwear first.
Yes, we should go back to the cabin and get ready.
Before we go back to the cabin, we should say goodbye to our friends watching this video.
We hope you enjoyed this cruise adventure with us.
And we hope you had fun learning English with us. If you enjoyed this video, like the video and leave a comment below. Subscribe to English Story Cottage for more simple English stories.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure.